Have you ever woken up just minutes before your alarm, feeling like your brain pulled a sneaky little prank on you? Well, you're not alone. And nope, it's not magic. It's actually your brain being kind of amazing. Let's find out how. Time to wake up your curiosity. Beginner's Pill, your regular dose of learning. All right, let's dive into it. So why do you sometimes wake up right before your alarm? Almost like your brain has a built-in clock. Your body runs on a 24-hour cycle called the circadian rhythm. It's like your brain's very own scheduling app. It controls when you feel sleepy, awake, hungry, even when you want a midnight snack or need the toilet. Thanks, brain. You could say your brain is a real clock star at keeping time. Right before your alarm goes off, your body starts releasing a hormone called cortisol. Think of it as your natural get-up-and-go juice. A slight rise in cortisol helps you feel alert, so you're not violently yanked out of dreamland by your alarm. It's like your body soft-launching your morning. If you wake up at the same time every day, your body learns the pattern. It's basically like setting a mental alarm clock without realizing it. Fun fact, studies show that people can train themselves to wake up at a specific time, even without alarms, just by mentally reminding themselves before they sleep. Want to boost your brain's natural alarm clock? Try this. Stick to a regular sleep schedule, even on weekends. Get natural light in the morning to reinforce your circadian rhythm. Avoid screens and heavy meals right before bed. No snoozing on these tips. Let's rewind real quick. Your brain follows a daily rhythm, your circadian rhythm. Cortisol rises before you wake, helping you feel alert. Repetition teaches your brain when to wake up naturally. You can actually train yourself to wake up before alarms. Turns out, your brain really knows how to rise and shine. Thanks for taking your daily dose of curiosity with Beginner's Pill. If you liked this video, don't hit the snooze. Hit that like button and subscribe for more bite-sized learning.